Hi, I'm Miss Karen from the Bridgeville Public Library. Today's Feltboard Fun video features the nursery rhyme 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. This is a great one to play with rhymes with your child. You can talk about how words that rhyme are words that sound the same at the end, and ask them to pick out the words that rhyme in 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. You can also have fun by making up different rhymes to go along with this nursery rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 2 and shoe rhyme, but what else rhymes with 2? Glue, blue, true, moo. So you could make up a different rhyme with one of those words. 1, 2, the cow says moo. 1, 2, the sky is blue. There are lots of different options. When your child plays with rhymes and is able to detect words that rhyme, that will help them later because it will help them to hear the smaller parts or the smaller sounds of words. And this will help them when they are trying to sound out words later when they're learning how to read. So for our felt pieces today, I have my shoe, and on the strap I have a flower for a buckle. I'm not going to glue this on because it's fun to leave this piece free to be able to take it on and off. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. And 3, 4, shut the door. I have a green door and I have 2 yellow hinges. I'm going to glue on my yellow doorknob. There's my door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. I just have some little brown pipe cleaners for my sticks today. And 9, 10, big fat hen. I have my hen here, and I'm going to go ahead and glue on a wing. And then I have a yellow nest. Now, I'm not going to glue the hen on the nest because it's another one that's fun to take it on and off to play with. So I'm going to grab my Feltboard pizza box. I have my numbers up. We have 1, 2, buckle my shoe. And 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. And 9, 10, big fat hen. And there is this week's Feltboard Fun nursery rhyme. We hope you're having fun with the Feltboard pizza boxes and our nursery rhymes, and we'll be back next week with another video. Thanks.